Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, in case you couldn't tell, I'm doing part 2 of the Descendants series, and I'm going to be doing Evie, Queen, daughter of the evil queen, played by Sofia Carson. So this is the makeup look with the liner and everything. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching.
You know what we should try? An icebreaker. You say something you really like about the other person, okay? I'll start.
So I'm going to start with my Ordinary Primer, which I always use, just to get that flawless finish on the face. Next, we are going to colour correct. We're going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in pink and lace it on the end. I like to pop it on the back of my hand. What's this? And tap it in under the eye with my ring finger. No longer sleep deprived because we didn't eat the poison apple. I need to go on my beauty blender. Beauty blender. Damp beauty blender. Damp beauty blender. For Evie skin, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 115. Flip it back. Okay, so now done. Now, using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Fair Neutral, I'm just going to place it. This is like one on the back of my hand again, and with my third, and just take a little bit under the eyes. Still a little dead, but it's fine. Next. I'm going to use the Kat Von D powder in translucent. I'm using like the world's tiniest brush. Bronzer. I'm going to use the Hula Bronzer by Benefit. eyebrows. For brows, I'm going to use this Benefit Precise Eyebrow Pencil in 3.5 and make them quite arched. Brow gel. I'll list all the products I'm using below if I forget to name any. Eyeshadow. I'm going to take the shades Cookie, which is this shade here. And I'm going to take the shade Pumpkin, which is this orange shade here, over the top. I'm now just going to apply those two shades on the lower lash line. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I'm going to take my concealer, an angled brush, I've been practicing, and just do an eyeliner shape with this, and then I'm going to go over it with the fun part. I'm going to use some blue eyeshadow from the Revolution Pro HD Amplified palette, and I'm going to mix all three of these shades. I'm going to use some Urban Decay setting spray. Going back into the, oh I forgot to say, this was the Roxasaurus Ride or Die palette. I'm going to take the shade Iconic and just pat it in the inner corner. Lashes. I'm going to curl my lashes with curling. Oh, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The Ardell Duralash Knotted Flares in Sharp Black. To put like 2 or 3 on the outer corner of my eyelashes. It is an eye. So that's the lashes done. So now I'm just going to use some highlighter. And then finally for Evie's signature lip, I'm going to use the Bourjois Rouge Edition Velvet in number 4 Peach Club. And then on top, I'm going to use the Iconic London Lip Gloss in Peekaboo. And the final touch to Evie, her crown. That is my finished Evie makeup look. Thank you guys so much for thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I loved making it. I loved the Descendants movie. And I had so much fun recreating this Evie look with the blue and the red. It's just so cute. Please like this video, leave a comment down below of your favourite Descendants character, and subscribe, please. Yep. That's it. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.